Up for sale, 1964 Nova SS. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 64 Nova SS, real super sport, finished in white, which is a little bit of a custom color with blue interior. The original and correct colors of the car were white with Aqua bucket seats and console, which it still has, and technically is still white. It was sold new in California, and I was told it spent its entire life in the Sacramento Central Valley area. And the title that I have shows the owner of since 1999 California title. But anyway, you know, go around it, point out anything that I know, tell you everything I know about it, fire it up, and then drive it. Start off some of the best notes on the car. California car, all original fenders. The quarters, the trunk pan, the floors, all the way to the front to the back of the subframe are mint, no rust and no repairs, which is exactly how you want to see it. The only thing not original is the cowl hood, which was done not too long ago. You see a nice little custom stripe, a little different than normal, and actually complements the car nicely because it's got the blue on the rocker down there. By the way, the rockers, I'll lay down and show you those, mint, with the little indents all along the original metal. Get up here on the bumper, which has a few little marks on it, specifically right behind where the license plate would go. But very, very nice, very shiny. Fitment of the hood, excellent. It's got a little bit of a blue flake in there, so I know in some of the pictures, like right on that edge, you see a little bit of blue standing out. So like, yeah, okay, in the bright sun, a little bit of blue pops out, but then behind the white, there's a little creaminess that you kind of see coming through, like a little orangey cream, and it's very pretty actually. Not everywhere. You see it in certain spots, certain angles on the car. There's two little black marks right there on the paint. Let me show you this here. And I noticed right here, two little chips at that top area. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. It is powered by 350, which is board 30 over, aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb. It's got headers on there. You see your trim tag is in place, and I'm going to zoom in on it. And by zoom in, I mean lean in so I could read it. W was for a tinted windshield. M and P, out of order, I don't know which is which. It was push button radio and power glide. And then C, I'm going to have it written down. C is, I'm drawing a blank. If it pops in my mind, I'll let you know. But I'll have that down there. And the correct colors are on there as well. Nicely painted in here. Nicely finished. Little chrome alternator. It's nice to see. Nice clean underhood, again, being original. And so, I mean, being new and so new, there's part of the label on there. What is 3? I'm gonna pause it and figure that out. It's gonna bug me. I looked it up. C is a padded dash, which I believe it still has. So anyway, carrying on down the side of the car, it's got Riddler wheels that are offset. These are 17s. Oh no, they're both 17s. It looks like a little bit bigger tire in the back. That's probably why it looks offset. Okay, carrying on here. Nice fitment all the way around the car, being original metal. It's exactly what you want to see. Look at that beautiful little pearl flake in there, or blue pearl. Here's what I'm talking about. Look how nice that is all the way down. That is fantastic. You'd love to see that. It is a scorcher today. I'm sweating my butt off. Nice glass. Probably some original older replacement trim on there. Still very, very nice though. Kind of looks like it's got tinted glass as well, like a light blue tint. Your weather stripping all the way around is very nice. Very, very nice. You see that. top of the car and the rails, which is nice. They're nicely done. There you go. But anyway, condition of the door panels, I would say the door panel is excellent. This is nice. I mean, it probably shows a little bit of wear from, you know, resting your arm on it. Other than on the seats, these couple little marks, like maybe rubbing at some point, getting in or out of, or moving it forward, excellent. Very nice condition. Solid, firm, properly stuffed. Flash you the back real quick. Door panel, same deal on both sides. Headliner, very, very nice, no rips, very clean as well. Nice seat back. Blue carpet is always hard to maintain being clean, and it is. There's your factory console with the factory shifter, mated to the 350. It would have been a power glide, like I said. Very nice dash, nice gauges. No cracks in the dash pad. I like the different Super Sport steering wheel. These are always very nice to see. There's your console with the proper shifter. The Turbo 350 transmission, I don't know if I mentioned that, is recently redone. It also has a stall converter and a shift kit in it, so you get a little bit of both worlds. And as you're seeing, I'm not pointing out too many flaws because I'm really not seeing that many. Of course, there's no bubbles down there on a California car. Of course. Is there not a chip on the side of the car? Now I'm questioning myself. No. No, that's really nice.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah.
Super straight.
That's a nice paint of the pearl, huh?
Yeah, thank you. I would say the rear bumper is just about the same as the front bumper. Very, very shiny. A few less marks than the front. There's your Super Sport gray in the back there. I always like that look. It's pretty cool. Oh, I'm leaving the key in. Nice fitment. Nice fitment. Nice fitment. No dents. Which is nice to see. Two very faint little marks right there. Even the fitment here is excellent. There's your original trunk pan, spatter paints, original quarters, not replaced. Pan, not replaced. Pretty much like new weather stripping in here too, keeping the water out the way you want to see it. Again, no bubbles. I see a little touch up right there. Let me see here. Yep, that came off, okay. I'm having a hard time seeing my camera with the sun, so I apologize if I'm not looking at certain things here with what I'm seeing with my eyes. Again, same thing here. Weather stripping, probably recently redone. Fitment of the door. There's not even like door edge chips on the car. That's super nice. Let me lay down and show you the rocker again on this side. That's really impressive. The worst thing on the exterior is that this window's cracked. Very easy to replace. Ooh, there's a Hornet. Will be up for sale on the website nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 64 Nova Super Sport, finished in custom white with aqua interior. Originally a ermine white with aqua interior, current bucket seats and console. 350, which is 430 over. Turbo 350 trans. There we go. California car. And, look at that excellent fitment all the way up. Fender to door, door to the rocker. There's a little chip that's been touched up down there. Fender to the rocker, all very nice to see. Another thing I like that I didn't mention before is these Nova SS logos on the other fender and on the back are like original condition, and I kind of like that because it's like they've been with the car the whole time. You know, like they're not just repops that were thrown on. You know, like if you get what I mean. We are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you. He's never going to shut the turn signal off.